Beta 6 of iOS 17 makes a big change. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and Apple has released the 6th developer beta of iOS 17. There continues to be changes and refinements as we march toward release, so here is everything that Apple has changed in this update, including one big one that I know a lot of you have been asking for. So here we are inside of the 6th developer beta of iOS 17. First, I'm going to jump here into the Health app. We have a new popover on the screen asking me again to confirm if I want to share any data with Apple or do not share my data. This is used to improve health and activity, making things like your Apple Watch tracking and your health app tracking more accurate thanks to data provided by actual users. But if you don't feel comfortable sharing it, you can hit no. I'm cool with it, so I'm going to hit OK. When logging your state of mind here in the Health app, there's a new option for weather. Before you had current events, which was kind of the closest, but now there's an actual weather option that you can use when logging your state of mind. We've all seen this new menu here inside of the Message app, and with this new beta, you can actually go in and toggle these individual ones off. So there's ones that you don't use, like maybe I don't use Bandbright or Aviary as actual iMessage apps. You can toggle them off thanks to this latest beta. Look, I happen to be getting a phone call. Let's go ahead and answer and see what happens with the on-screen end button. I'm going to tap end or accept on that call, and look, you can see the end button has now moved. It wasn't this far right-hand side. People were up in arms. Now it has been moved here to the center. Thanks, babe, for giving me a call. I'll talk to you in a few. When toggling your phone from on to silent, here you can see the little animation at the top. There used to be haptic feedback to go along with it. Now it simply changes, and you can see the alert on the dynamic island, but there's no haptic feedback to go along with it. This could be because the new iPhone 15 Pros are going to have an action button there on the side, and they might be just changing how that works. We'll have to see when iPhone 15 and iOS 17 actually launch. If I go and open the Photos app, you can see we have a new popover on the screen. It's advertising the new features found in Photos, like albums and the Photos widget, pet albums, pinching to crop, and more customizable memories. Finally, if I jump into settings and I scroll down to display and brightness, Apple has updated. Under appearance, these now use the stock wallpaper, the default wallpaper of iOS 17. So these have just been updated to use the new iOS 17 default wallpaper here in these little graphics. Otherwise, not much has changed. So that's it. That is everything that Apple has changed so far, at least that I have found in the 6th developer beta of iOS 17. Let me know what you guys think, or if you spotted any other changes. Let me know down below in the comments, or find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, or Threads at Andrew O'Hara 941. Otherwise, stay tuned. Got a lot more coverage of Apple's updates coming your way.